Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to our YouTube channel CognitiveCoders. I hope you guys are doing well, and this is our part 18 video of our Azure Data Factory real-time scenario series. If you have not watched our previous video, first I would recommend you to watch that videos, the previous 17 videos where we have discussed lots of real-time scenarios things which is really important for the real-time experience. Okay, in real-time industry, how the works are going on in data engineering, data factory, that we have discussed. So I would recommend you guys can go there because whatever we created, link service and data sets, in that video we have created the same things we will use in this video also. If you have any kind of issue, if you face any kind of challenges during the creation of link service and data sets mm, uh, in this video, uh, to understand, so you guys can focus the previous videos to understand that thing. Okay, so these are the playlists, so you can go through. This is our channel. I would recommend you guys, whoever is watching our video, please subscribe and share with your friends, because you guys are watching our videos daily basis but not subscribing. This thing is not good because this is really demotivating us, as it's a non-profitable initiative. I would recommend you guys, I would request you guys to subscribe our channel and share with your friends, so that we can also motivate, and we can create more interesting videos on data engineering topics or coding topics. Uh, so let's go ahead, and today's topic is today's topic is merge multiple rows value into single row using data flow in data factory. So merge multiple rows values means, I will give you the brief understanding how we are going to do the scenario. So we have this employee skill set thing, data. Okay, so here we have employee ID, employee name and skill. So employee ID, mm, Pritam, skill is PySpark. Employee ID 2 Sandeep, skill is Java. Employee ID Pritam 1 Pritam, who have skill also in ADF. For 3 Priya, who has skill for C++. Employee ID, employee ID Sandeep, who has skill in Laravel. So like this. So every employee ID has multiple skills, but it is written in different row. But what we need to club all the skill set in a single row for each and every employee ID. So the output would be employee ID 1 Pritam, PySpark, comma, in the skill set column PySpark, comma, ADF. For Sandeep it's Java, comma, uh, whatever he has other skill, Laravel. For Priya it is C++, comma, HTML, like this. Okay, so let's go, how to do that we'll see. So in our data factory, I'll go first. Using the data flow I'll do. So first we'll create one data flow. So in this data flow, first I will import the source. So first I will turn on the debug option. So for importing here from the source thing, so I'll choose the data, the source file. Okay, the source file name. Okay, mm, 1 minute. Let me see in this source file name. Okay, it is parameterize. mm, One thing I can do, let's create a new data set for this, because I have imported this file newly, the new source file uploaded. So delimiter text, and here ds skill. Okay, name given, and dataset I'm importing it from the source file. Source, it is item.csv. Sorry, not item.csv, it's employee skill.csv. Okay, employee skill.csv. So I've created my source file dataset. Okay, so if I'll go to inspect, I can get the three columns: employee ID, employee name, skill set. So for clubbing all the skill set in a single row, we need to use the collect function. For that, what I will use the derived column option. Okay, so in derived column, mm, so we'll use the derived column, but before that, first we need to aggregate the thing. Okay, so because we have to use this collect to mm to club all the skill set in a single row for each and every employee. So that's why we need the aggregate function. Okay, because we need to aggregate based on the employee ID. Okay, so in group by, I have passed the employee ID, and in aggregate, what I'll do, so here what I'll do, I will select the column and will pass the expression for the collect. So here I will write the expression. I will use the collect function, and here in expression, what I will do, let me down skill. Okay, skill column, whatever skill column, mm, mm, based on that, whatever we have the employee IDs, based on that ID, wherever the skill is matching, it will collect and will put it in a single row. Okay, I'm saving it. If I'll go to data preview now, I'll refresh it. You can see employee ID and skill I am getting, but I am not getting the employee name. So for getting the employee name, if I'll see the data preview also, there also employee name I will not get, because I have not mentioned in group by the employee name. Okay, so let it fetch the details. Okay, so you can see the data has loaded in data preview. Employee ID I am getting, and the skill sets, you can see PySpark ADF, I'm getting like this in a array. Okay, but we need the employee name also. So for getting employee name, what I'll do, I'll take the employee name also in aggregate. Okay, so now if I will rephrase the data, I'm getting the employee name also. So skill sets are also there. Okay, but here the data is coming uh, in an array, but we need it in a string format. Okay, for take doing it like that, we need the derived column. So in the derived column, what I will do, so basically, mm, in derived column we'll change the type. So here in the derived column, I'll select this skill. So only for this column I'll change it, change the data type. So we'll use the expression builder. So I'll use to string, and here the value I'll pass skill. Okay, this is not required for now. For the skill column, I'll change the data type. Okay, so once I'll change in the preview, what I will get, so you can see now I'm getting my desired output, but all the things are in string, but here we have extra characters, this inverted commas and brackets. So for to to remove this, what we will do, we will write one expression here in the derived column. So here in the expression builder, we'll change something. Okay, so basically what we'll do, we'll use the replace function to string, uh, and this one first, what we'll replace, we'll use we'll replace the mm, this bracket with uh, empty string. Okay, so let's try this. uh, if I'll do if I'll do like this, let's see. So you can see the 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 first bracket, it has gone. Okay, so we need this bracket also, to convert it in empty string. We don't need this, and also the inverted commas. So for that, what I'll do, I'll go here in expression builder. Once again, I will use the replace. Okay, and we'll now this time we'll use this one to empty string. Once again, I will replace the use the replace function, and this one should be replaced by this. Okay, done. Everything is okay. So now if I'll see the data, let's see. Now I am getting my desired output, you can see. So I will just upload it to the sync location now. So in sync location, in sync, what I'll do, and sync, I'll choose my sync folder path. So where is my sync employees, so sync folder. Okay, if I want to see the data set, so sync folder. Okay, the it has also parameterized. Okay, let's see whatever it is not parameterized. So I will use here employee sinks dataset, okay, or whatever I created earlier. So basically, this employee sinks dataset, it is, if I will open it, this dataset directly pointing to my sync location, and the file name is not parameterized. So whatever file name we have earlier, it will directly take that. Okay, so in sync path, if I'll check, let's go in sync path. We have few files. Okay, don't need to bother with this, directly the file will be here. Okay, so my system is ready to execute, everything is fine, not required here. Okay, okay, if I'll refresh, let's create the pipeline. I'll take this data flow. Sorry, not I'll take this data flow here. Okay, and here you can see the output, it is okay. Now I'll execute it in debug mode. Let the run complete. So my pipeline successfully run. So let's go to the sync folder. You can see we have that file. Okay, so you can see this file has the data. So 1 Pritam, 2 Sandeep, 3 Priya. So like this, the uh, data got in a not in correct order. Okay, so that is a different thing, but in this way you can you can use using the collect function, you can uh, do this merging. Okay, so I hope you have understood the concept. If you have any kinds of doubt, you can directly comment on the video comment section, or if you want any other topics video, you can also comment, so that I can see and I can create that on that topic video, and I can share with you guys. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Please, and this is my humble request to you guys. Please do subscribe and support us. Without your support, we will not able to be a big community. Okay, uh, and you guys support is really much required to spread our videos to the needy people who wants to learn, and who need this video to learn and to prepare for their interview. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.